Welcome to IntelliPod, your ultimate AI podcast, exploring the future of artificial intelligence, one episode at a time.
Okay, so you're here and ready to go deep into, well, that's exactly what we're going to do today. We're going to take a deep dive into the world of AI,
Right.
artificial intelligence, and you sent over some really fascinating excerpts from this discussion about AI, and our job is to kind of like distill it down to the core, you know, the stuff that really matters.
Absolutely.
So you can walk away with a clear picture of this, you know, rapidly evolving field and what it means for all of us.
Right.
And we want to make sure we do it without, you know, overwhelming you with a bunch of tech talk and jargon and stuff.
Right. Just the insight.
Just the, you know, the essential insight.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we're taking those key ideas and sort of unpacking them. So you see AI not just as this futuristic concept,
Right.
but as something that's, you know, a tangible force that's shaping our present and our future.
Okay. So kicking things off, it's clear that AI is no longer just science fiction.
Yeah.
Right?
Absolutely.
The source material that you sent over calls it a powerful technology transforming the way we live, work, and even think.
That's right.
That's a pretty bold claim. But in its most basic form, what exactly is AI, according to what you sent over?
Yeah, so at its heart, you know, the source defines AI as the simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like us.
Okay.
So it's about, you know, creating machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intellect.
Right.
Things like learning problem solving and making decisions.
Yeah, and it's already woven into our daily routines, isn't it?
It really is.
I mean, even just the example
Especially where?
of Netflix recommendations and, you know, smartphone voice assistants. I mean, those are things that we use all the time.
Exactly.
But how do these seemingly simple conveniences actually function?
Right.
I mean, what's going on under the hood?
So these AI-powered features rely on what the source calls algorithms and large sets of data.
Okay.
So they're designed to find patterns within that data and then use those patterns to, you know, anticipate your needs or make informed choices. So think about, you know, how Netflix figures out what movies or shows you might enjoy?
Yeah.
It's constantly analyzing your viewing habits and comparing them to millions of other users to make those recommendations.
So it's all about spotting trends and making smart predictions
Absolutely.
based on, you know, all this information
Exactly.
that it's gathering.
Yeah.
Okay, now, the material that you and I look at also distinguishes between narrow AI
Yes.
and general AI.
Yeah.
What's the crucial difference there?
So this is a really key distinction.
Okay.
Narrow AI, which is what we see in action all around us today, is built for very specific tasks.
Okay.
So think of facial recognition on your phone or those translation apps that instantly convert languages.
Got it.
These are incredibly capable within their defined boundaries, but they can't do much beyond that.
Right.
Their intelligence is very focused.
So it's like a highly specialized tool.
Exactly, like a
Right.
very specialized tool.
Okay.
It does one thing very well.
Got it. And general AI, that sounds more like the stuff of movies,
Yes.
right? Like the AI that can do pretty much anything a human can.
Exactly. General AI, sometimes called AGI, is that hypothetical point where a machine achieves human-level intelligence across the board.
Right.
It would have the ability to learn, understand, apply knowledge to a vast range of tasks, just like we do.
Right.
The source, you know, correctly emphasizes that this is still very much a theoretical concept, something we haven't yet achieved.
Okay, so narrow AI is our current reality.
Yes.
General AI is
The potential.
this potential more distant future.
Yeah, future.
Okay, now another term that keeps popping up is machine learning.
Yes.
The source calls it the engine behind most AI applications we use daily.
Right.
So why is it so fundamental?
What's particularly interesting about machine learning is that it allows computers to learn from data without needing explicit step-by-step programming for every single task.
Right.
Instead, we feed these systems huge amounts of data, and the machine learning algorithms enable them to identify patterns and learn from that data autonomously. This is what allows AI to adapt and improve over time as it processes more information.
So the AI essentially teaches itself by analyzing data.
Exactly. It's constantly learning and improving.
That's a game changer.
Yeah.
Okay, so the discussion then shifts to the growing capabilities of AI, both now and in the near future.
Yeah.
And we're already seeing, you know, self-driving car technology,
Wow.
highly personalized shopping experiences. How are these examples actually changing things?
So these are prime examples of AI moving beyond theory into practical applications
Right.
that impact our daily lives.
Right.
So self-driving cars, for instance, use AI to perceive their environment, make driving decisions, and navigate
Right.
with the potential to drastically improve road safety and traffic flow.
Okay.
And personalized shopping uses AI to understand your preferences and suggest products you might like, making online shopping more efficient and tailored to your individual tastes.
So essentially making our lives...
Yeah, easier, safer, more connected.
Okay, so that's the present picture. But let's look ahead.
Okay.
And let's start with the workplace.
Okay.
The source material that you shared hints at some pretty significant transformations.
Yes.
So what are the key insights there regarding AI's impact on jobs?
So connecting this to the bigger picture, the automation capabilities of AI are likely to reshape the job market.
Right.
While routine and repetitive tasks may indeed be automated, leading to a decrease in jobs focused on those areas.
Right.
The source also suggests the rise of new opportunities.
Okay.
We're likely to see an increased demand for roles that involve creativity, complex problem-solving, strategic thinking,
Right.
and managing these AI systems themselves.
Okay.
So it's not just about jobs disappearing.
Right.
It's about a significant shift in the skills and types of work that will be most valued.
That evolution of roles rather than outright job destruction is a really important distinction, I think.
I think so, too.
Yeah.
It's not just about taking jobs away. It's about changing what jobs look like.
Right.
Exactly.
Okay, now let's pivot to healthcare.
Okay.
The source you provided paints a pretty compelling picture of AI's potential
Yeah.
in this critical field.
It does.
What are the key points there?
So what's particularly compelling here is AI's capacity to enhance diagnosis and treatment.
Yeah.
We're already seeing AI algorithms that can analyze medical images with incredible speed and accuracy, potentially detecting diseases like cancer in their early stages.
Wow.
Looking further ahead, the promise of AI-driven personalized medicine is truly exciting.
Okay.
Imagine treatments tailored precisely to an individual's genetic makeup and specific health conditions, leading to much more effective and targeted therapies.
Yeah.
This could mark a significant shift towards more proactive and precise healthcare.
That sounds like a genuine revolution in how we approach health.
It really does.
Okay, moving on to transportation. Self-driving vehicles seem to be at the forefront of the AI conversation here.
Definitely.
What are the most significant changes we can expect?
The anticipated changes in transportation are profound. Beyond just the convenience of not having to drive self-driving cars, hold the potential to dramatically reduce accidents caused by human error.
Right.
Furthermore, AI-powered traffic management systems could optimize traffic flow in real time, easing congestion and potentially transforming our daily commutes into more efficient and less stressful experiences.
Reclaiming that commute time and potentially redesigning our cities.
Exactly.
That's a massive shift.
Yeah, it is a huge shift.
To contemplate.
A lot to think about.
Now let's consider education.
Okay.
The discussion you shared suggests AI could also be a powerful force in how we learn.
Yeah.
How might it reshape education?
This raises fascinating possibilities for the future of learning.
Okay.
Imagine AI-powered personalized tutors that can adapt to each student's individual learning style and pace, identifying areas where they need extra support and providing tailored resources.
Wow.
This could lead to a more engaging, effective, and ultimately more accessible education system, catering to the unique needs of every learner.
The idea of truly personalized learning experiences is incredibly exciting.
Yeah, it is.
However, the source material also touches on some important challenges that come hand in hand
Of course.
with these advancements.
Yeah.
What are the key areas of concern that we need to be mindful of as AI evolves?
It's crucial to consider the broader implications of AI.
Right.
The source material brings up important questions about how AI systems make decisions, particularly in critical areas like law enforcement or healthcare.
Yeah.
Ensuring fairness, accountability, and transparency in these algorithms is paramount.
Absolutely.
As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we need to develop frameworks to guide its responsible development and deployment.
We need to be thoughtful about how we integrate this technology into society.
Absolutely.
On a more optimistic note, the discussion you looked at also highlights the power of collaboration between humans and AI. What does that synergy look like?
So instead of viewing AI as simply replacing human capabilities, the source suggests a powerful partnership. By combining human creativity, intuition, and emotional intelligence with AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data and identify complex patterns, We can unlock new levels of innovation across various fields.
Right.
Think of AI assisting artists in creating new forms of expression or helping scientists accelerate the pace of discovery.
So AI is a powerful tool that can amplify our own abilities,
Exactly.
rather than just a substitute,
Yeah, augmentation, not replacement.
bringing it all together. What's the core message about the significance of AI that we should take away from this deep dive?
The central message is that AI represents a fundamental shift in our relationship with technology. It's
Okay.
not just about automation or robots. It's about the potential to enhance human capabilities, solve complex problems, and ultimately pave the way for a more intelligent future across all aspects of our lives.
So despite the challenges, the overarching perspective seems to be one of incredible transformative potential,
It really is.
provided we move forward with intention and responsibility.
Precisely, the source concludes by emphasizing the importance of embracing these changes while ensuring the ethical and responsible development and application of AI.
Well, that concludes our deep dive into the fundamentals and future of artificial intelligence,
Yeah,
drawing on the insightful discussion that you shared with us.
great.
We journeyed from the basic definition of AI to the critical distinction between narrow and general AI,
Right.
the driving force of machine learning.
Mm-hmm.
We also explored its potential to revolutionize the workplace, healthcare, transportation, and education,
Yeah,
while also touching on the importance of careful consideration as AI evolves.
absolutely.
What really stands out to me is the rapid and pervasive integration of narrow AI
Yes.
into so many facets of our lives.
It's incredible how quickly it's become so embedded in everything we do.
Yeah. And that prompts a really interesting question for all of you listening out there. Given this accelerating integration of AI in our daily routines, what specific skills do you believe will become most crucial for individuals to develop and thrive in this evolving landscape?
That's a great question.
It's definitely food for thought
It is.
as we navigate this technological frontier.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us on this deep dive,
Yeah, thanks for having me.
and we'll see you next time.
See you next time.